Some of the smartest Amazon gadgets aren't the ones everyone talks about. From invisible storage hacks to game-changing kitchen tools, these 25 finds are the kind you see once and instantly want. No boring tech, no useless clutter, just real, useful things that make everyday life smoother, neater, and way more fun. Ready to upgrade your home one brilliant gadget at a time? Still using flimsy totes for serious storage? Meet the Rubbermaid Action Packer, a 35-gallon beast built to protect. Whether you're organizing tools, packing for a road trip, or storing emergency gear, this bin is made for heavy-duty action. Its impact-resistant build and double-walled lid shield your items from weather, dirt, and rough handling. Integrated wheels make transport effortless, even when fully loaded. The grooved lid design prevents water pooling, and the tight sealing latches keep contents dry and dust-free. Need extra security? The lockable latches support padlocks to keep valuables safe on the go or in the garage. It stacks easily with other bins, helping you keep spaces tidy without sacrificing accessibility. Perfect for basements, sheds, car trunks, and anywhere durability matters. Tough, mobile, and built to outlast. Store smarter with Action Packer. Looking to declutter your space with style? The Cryusia large storage baskets offer a chic solution. Measuring 14 x 10 x 9, 5, these fabric bins come with removable lids, making them stackable and dustproof. Ideal for organizing clothes, toys, or linens, they fit seamlessly into closets or shelves. Built-in handles make them easy to carry from room to room. Their neutral design complements any decor, and when not in use, they fold flat for easy storage. Organize elegantly. Function meets fashion in every bin. Tired of messy countertops and soggy sponges? The Sizzly stainless steel sink caddy offers a sleek solution. Its 300 for stainless steel build resists rust and deformation, ensuring durability. The caddy features a rotatable spout that directs excess water into the sink, keeping your countertop dry. With 3 separate compartments, it neatly organizes your sponge, soap, and brushes. The high brush holder accommodates up to 4 brushes, maximizing space efficiency. Measuring 9.25 x 3.97 x 6, 37, it's compact yet spacious enough for daily essentials. No installation required, just place it on your countertop and start organizing. Rubber feet provide extra stability, preventing sliding or tipping on wet surfaces. It's also easy to clean, just rinse and wipe to keep it looking fresh. Declutter your sink area. Smart design meets everyday convenience. Struggling with a cluttered closet full of tangled leggings? The Volnarmal Legging Organizer is your solution. This 2-pack of metal hangers, each equipped with 10 rubber-coated clips, holds up to 20 pairs of leggings, yoga pants, or shorts. No assembly required, just hang them up and start organizing. The space-saving design fits seamlessly in closets, on walls, or behind doors. Durable carbon steel construction ensures longevity, while the rubber-coated clips prevent slipping and protect your garments from marks. Declutter your wardrobe. Efficient storage meets elegant design. Tired of under-sink chaos? The Real-In Organizer brings order with its L-shaped design, working around plumbing and maximizing space. 2-tier sliding shelves give easy access to cleaning products or toiletries. No tools needed. Suction cups and adhesive pads hold it steady. Built from rust-resistant steel, it supports up to 50 pounds and fits most cabinets. Transform clutter into clarity. Organize smarter with Real-In. Struggling with overflowing hampers and flimsy baskets? The HomeHacks 2-pack large laundry baskets offer a sturdy and spacious solution. Each 75 liters basket stands upright even when empty, thanks to a built-in iron wireframe. The waterproof PEVA-coated interior keeps moisture at bay, while the thick cotton flax exterior adds durability. Reinforced handles ensure easy transport, and when not in use, the baskets fold flat for convenient storage. The tall, narrow shape fits neatly in corners or beside washers, saving valuable floor space. Whether for clothes, toys, or linens, these baskets adapt to your daily needs. Laundry day made easier. Durable, spacious, and designed for real life. Need a storage solution that's both spacious and versatile? The Olahike 3-pack 1 for QD collapsible storage bins offer 12 gallons of capacity each, crafted from shatter-resistant polypropylene. Their foldable design allows for compact storage when not in use, and the stackable grooves ensure stability. Each bin features dual front doors and a removable top lid for easy access to contents. With a weight capacity of up to 150 pounds, they're ideal for storing everything from tools to seasonal decorations. The set includes one set of 4 rotating wheels, making mobility effortless. Perfect for home organization, RV trips, or camping adventures. Organized smarter, durable, mobile, and designed for real life. Tired of soggy sandwiches and lukewarm drinks? The Lifewood insulated lunch bag keeps your meals fresh for over 5 hours. With an 8.5 litres capacity, it comfortably holds 12 cans or a full lunch spread. The leak-proof PVA lining and 6mm EP foam insulation ensure optimal temperature retention. Craft from 6OOD water-resistant Oxford fabric, it's both durable and easy to clean. The wide-opening lid with dual zippers allows easy access, while the reinforced handles and adjustable shoulder strap offer versatile carrying options. Additional front and side pockets provide space for utensils, napkins, or small essentials. Whether you're heading to work, a picnic, or the beach, this lunch bag combines functionality with style. It's compact enough to fit in a locker or under your desk, yet spacious enough for snacks, drinks, and meal containers. Even after daily use, it holds its shape and wipes clean in seconds. Keep it cool, keep it fresh. Lifewood has you covered. Running out of closet space? Hibags 10-pack of jumbo vacuum storage bags compresses bulky items like comforters, blankets, and seasonal clothing by up to 80%. Craft from durable PAR plus P material, these bags are airtight and watertight, protecting your belongings from dust, moisture, and odors. The double zip seal and triple seal turbo valve ensure a secure closure every time. Each set includes a portable hand pump for easy use at home or on the go. Ideal for home organization, moving, or travel, these reusable bags help maximize your storage space effortlessly. Compatible with any standard vacuum cleaner, they offer a convenient solution to declutter your living areas. Simplify storage, compress, protect, and organize with Hibag. Looking to declutter your bathroom with a touch of elegance? The Ozita 4-pack acrylic QTIP holder dispenser offers a stylish solution. This set includes 4 clear plastic apothecary jars to 12 ounces and 2 tenors, perfect for organizing cotton swabs, balls, pads, and floss picks. The durable acrylic construction ensures longevity, while the removable lids provide easy access to contents. Their compact design fits seamlessly on countertops, shelves, or vanities, adding a minimalist charm to your space. Ideal for maintaining a tidy and organized bathroom, these jars combine functionality with aesthetic appeal. Simplify your storage where practicality meets style. Tired of hats piling up or losing shape in drawers? This 2-pack hat organizer offers a sleek, space-saving solution. Each rack holds up to 10 caps, keeping them visible, upright, and easy to grab. With dual mounting options, strong adhesive for smooth surfaces, and screws for textured walls, you can install them anywhere without hassle. The minimalist design complements any decor, making it ideal for bedrooms, closets, or entryways. Craft from durable materials. These racks ensure your hats stay organized and in pristine condition. The open slot layout accommodates snapbacks, fitteds, truckers, and even visors, all without bending brims or crowding the wall. Lightweight yet sturdy, they can be mounted side by side or stacked vertically to fit your space. Whether you're a collector, an athlete, or just need tidy storage, this set delivers practical style without tools or bulk. Display your caps with pride. Organization meets style. Tired of clothes draped over chairs and doors? The Amazon Basics foldable laundry rack offers a sleek, space-saving solution. Made from durable, lightweight steel with a white finish, it resists rust and mildew, ensuring longevity. Its accordion-style design unfolds to 41.8 x 29.5 x 14.5, providing ample space for air-drying clothes while saving energy. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage. Supporting up to 32 pounds, it's perfect for indoor use, accommodating everything from delicates to jeans. Air dry, smarter, compact, sturdy, and ready when you are. Running out of closet space? The Pradnell 4-pack linen closet organizers offer a stylish and practical solution. Each bin features a clear window for quick content ID and is reinforced to hold its shape. The foldable design makes storage easy when not in use, ideal for clothes, towels, toys, or office supplies. They fit neatly into closets, shelves, or under beds. Declutter your space. Organization meets elegance with Pradnell. Tired of cluttered showers and messy countertops? The Viken 6-pack shower caddy turns chaos into calm with smart, drill-free storage. Built from rust-proof stainless steel, each piece is designed to hold bottles, soap, razors, and even toothbrushes without slipping or bending. The strong adhesive mounts firmly to smooth surfaces, keeping your walls safe and your essentials within reach. From large bottles to tiny tools, everything has its place. Plus, the modern black finish blends seamlessly into any bathroom decor, easy to install and even easier to love. It's a quick upgrade for renters and homeowners alike. No tools, no damage, just instant organization. Still dealing with leaky lids and stained containers? Rubbermaid Brilliance offers a crystal clear, airtight solution for meal prep, leftovers, and snacks. Each 3.2 cup container features BPA-free Triton plastic that resists stains and odors, keeping your food fresh and your containers looking new. The secure latches and leak-proof seal ensure mess-free transport, even with soups and sauces. Built-in vents under the latches allow for splatter-free microwaving without removing the lid. Plus, their stackable design saves space in your fridge or pantry. Upgrade your food storage clarity, durability, and convenience in one sleek package. Does your kitchen drawer look like a game of dominoes every time you open it? With Gorilla Grip's non-adhesive liner, everything stays exactly where you placed it. This durable, thick liner grips surfaces without glue or sticky residue, making it ideal for renters and DIY lovers. Its open grid design allows air to circulate, helping to prevent moisture buildup while protecting shelves and drawers from scratches. Cut it to any size, roll it out, and enjoy instant order in your kitchen, bathroom, or RV. From spices to silverware, no more sliding, slipping, or mess. Organize your space with ease, no tools, no fuss, just a clean, calm surface every time. Tired of laundry piling up in corners or on the floor? The handy laundry pop-up mesh hamper offers a breathable, foldable solution for managing your laundry. Its sturdy mesh construction allows air to circulate, reducing odors and mildew. The wide opening makes it easy to toss in clothes, towels, or linens, and the built-in side pocket is perfect for storing small items like socks or detergent pods. When not in use, it collapses flat for convenient storage, making it ideal for dorms, apartments, or travel. Lightweight yet durable, it's easy to carry from room to room. Whether for kids or adults, it adds a touch of order to any home. Struggling with cluttered spaces and hard-to-reach items? The YFCval 4-tier stackable storage bins offer a sleek, space-saving solution. Each 23-quart bin features a translucent front door with magnetic closure, allowing easy access without unstacking. The top lid provides an alternative opening, catering to various storage needs. Equipped with 360 rotatable wheels, including 2 lockable ones, these bins can be effortlessly moved and secured in place. Made from durable PP material, they are sturdy yet lightweight and can be folded flat when not in use. Ideal for organizing toys, crafts, pantry items, or office supplies, these bins combine functionality with modern design. Transform your living space with this versatile and convenient storage solution. Tired of mismatched, bulky hangers cluttering your closet? Utopia Home's 50-pack of plastic hangers offers a sleek, uniform solution to streamline your wardrobe. Each hanger measures 16 inches wide and 9.4 inches high, providing ample support for shirts, blouses, and lightweight jackets. The built-in shoulder grooves are perfect for securing strappy garments, preventing slips and maintaining garment shape. Craft from durable plastic. These hangers are designed to withstand daily use without bending or breaking. Their slim profile maximizes closet space, allowing you to hang more clothes neatly and efficiently. Available in a clean white finish, they add a touch of organization and style to any closet. Upgrade your closet with these reliable, space-saving hangers and enjoy a tidier, more organized wardrobe. Still battling overflowing closets and seasonal clutter? The FabTotes 6-pack clothes storage offers a breathable, foldable solution for organizing your wardrobe. Each 60 liters bin, measuring 21.65 x 13.78 x 12.4, is craft from odorless, non-woven fabric to keep your items fresh. The clear front window allows for easy content identification, while the reinforced handles ensure durability during transport. Equipped with sturdy two-way stainless steel zippers, these bins are designed for long-term use. When not in use, they fold flat for convenient storage. Ideal for bedrooms, dorms, or baby rooms, these versatile bins help maintain a tidy and organized space. Whether it's winter coats or baby clothes, everything finds its place. Create breathing room in your home, one neatly folded bin at a time. Tired of shoes cluttering your floor or disappearing into the closet abyss? The Gorilla Grip over the door shoe organizer offers a sleek, space-saving solution. With 24 breathable mesh pockets, it holds up to 40 pounds, accommodating various items from sneakers to accessories. The organizer measures 64 by 19 inches, with each pocket measuring 8.3 by 4.3 inches and expanding to 4.25 inches deep. 4 sturdy hooks ensure a secure fit over most doors, eliminating the need for tools or hardware. Its versatile design makes it ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, or entryways. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage. Transform your space, maximize storage without sacrificing style. Running out of space and tired of cluttered closets? The Iris USA 32-quart stackable plastic storage bins offer a practical solution for organizing your home. Each bin features a clear design, allowing you to easily identify contents without opening the lid. The secure latching lids ensure your items stay protected, while the stackable design maximizes storage space. Built-in pull handles make it easy to retrieve bins from shelves or high places. Made in the USA from BPA-free materials, these durable bins are both safe and long-lasting. Ideal for storing seasonal items, clothing, toys, or office supplies, they help keep your space tidy and organized. Simplify your storage needs with these versatile and reliable bins. Tired of your closet feeling cramped and chaotic? The Hanger Central 30-pack offers a sleek, space-saving solution. Each 12-inch hanger features a slim design, maximizing your closet space while securely holding pants, skirts, and shorts. The ridged non-slip surface and strong pinch clips keep garments in place, preventing them from slipping or creasing. A 360-degree rotating chrome swivel hook allows for easy access and visibility, making outfit selection a breeze. Crafted from durable plastic, these hangers are built to last, ensuring long-term use. Ideal for organizing various clothing items, they bring uniformity and order to any wardrobe. Upgrade your closet with these efficient and reliable hangers. Tired of tripping over scattered shoes at your entryway? The Kitcher 4-tier stackable shoe rack offers a sleek solution to keep your footwear organized and accessible. Crafted from rust-proof coated metal tubes and sturdy metal frames, it's built to last and resist deformation over time. The thick, non-woven fabric shelves provide breathable support for your shoes, preventing moisture buildup and odors. With dimensions of 11.8 x 27.56 x 18.5, it fits seamlessly into closets, entryways, or dorm rooms. Its stackable design allows you to customize storage by adding additional units vertically, maximizing space without compromising stability. Assembly is a breeze, no tools required. Just follow the step-by-step instructions for quick setup. Elevate your home organization with this versatile and durable shoe rack. What if your pantry looked as fresh as your meals? The Topmart 24-piece food storage set brings clarity and order to your kitchen. Made from BPA-free, clear plastic, these containers help you see what you need at a glance. Each container features a 4-side locking lid with a silicone seal to keep contents airtight and protected from moisture. With 4 convenient sizes, you can easily store pasta, cereal, flour, sugar, or snacks. They're perfect for bulk goods to keep everything fresh, dry, and easy to access. The stackable design maximizes shelf space, while the included 24 reusable chalkboard labels and marker let you personalize each bin. Whether you're meal prepping, decluttering, or just trying to make mornings easier, this set brings both function and beauty to your kitchen. From chaos to calm, this set is your secret to a beautifully organized pantry.